How to control brightness on Windows 10. Hey everyone, if you're struggling with your screen brightness on Windows 10, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to easily adjust and control the brightness settings on your Windows 10 PC. Let's get started. Many laptops have dedicated keys or function keys, which is FN on your keyboard, to adjust brightness. Look for the symbols that resemble sun icons with up and down arrows. Press the appropriate keys to increase or decrease brightness. Or you can use the Windows settings. Open the Start menu and click on the gear icon to access settings. Go to System, then Display. Use the brightness and color slider to adjust brightness. You can also toggle on Change Brightness automatically for adaptive brightness, depending on natural light. Open the Action Center by clicking on the speech bubble icon in the taskbar or press Windows key plus A. Look for the brightness slider at the bottom and drag the slider left or right to adjust brightness quickly. And this is another method. You can go to Settings, System, Power and Sleep. Click on Additional Power Settings to open power options. Select your active power plan and click on Change Plan Settings. Adjust brightness levels under Adjust Plan Brightness. You can also update graphics drivers, and that will change brightness too. And there you go. By following these simple steps, you can easily control and adjust the brightness settings on your Windows 10 PC to suit your preferences and lighting conditions. Enjoy a comfortable viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.